Now in the game. Career high last time. Check yung Bancale.
Good kick out of that zipper screen action.
8 to shoot. Escamis fades. Fires and shoots.
Tough shot for Clint Escamis, but
parang nakita ko na yun.
Just, hindi ako nagkakamali. Mga Far North ko, Ilocano, nung pandemic. Tapos sinisend niya sa akin yung mga video. Sabi niya, maganda matulungan yung bata. Tapos nadala nga niya dahil alumni siya ng Mapua, as we see a downhill drive here by Clint Escamis. And one pa. So nakita niya yung bata, naghahanap ng eskwelahan. Nadala niya sa Mapua High School. Yan, nasa kolehiyo na.
It's all about the hard work, coach.
At saka pagkakataon din. Para yan, si Clint Escamis nun. Lumipan pa balik sa Mapua na bigyan ng pagkakataon na Guardia. Good screen.
Ito naman ang pull-off from Escobedo. Hintis lang doon. Mapua gets the ball. Egliane. Tatakbo na naman ang big man ng Mapua. With Clint Escamis ni Yoyo pa.
Nag-take out pa sa area. Contact. Good let go by the referees. Nakatalikod yung bantays eh. Hindi pwede malambot.
Nagkape pa.
Ay, sakto yun sa'yo pagkagabi.
Clint Escamis, look at that spectacular layup. And sinawsaw pa, sinabi.
Sarap pa yung layup.
6 seconds remaining in the first half. Mapua half of Golden Stags for today.
Oh, exactly. They're able to make a handful of them.
Escamis, 8 to shoot. And he was fouled from the tree. Great play there mula kay Clint Escamis. Binato niya na lang doon, pero yun yung balak niya. Nakita mo yung galaw niya from that screen.
Yes,
from that handoff. And look at that. Clint Escamis for a chance to do a 4-point play here.
Sumabit yung bantay. Wala naman siyang extension. Pwede pa nga maging landing spot. Pero buti, palayo yung challenge ni Pascual. Sumabit siya dun sa isang
siya na mga kakampi. Clint Escamis, the #1 guy in still. Scores the basket. Kung may ginagawang mabuti itong Golden Stags, may isasagot naman. We're talking about the shot selection of Nico Aguilar. Coach Arvin, as Clint Escamis fires once again from the long range. Going back to Nico, Coach Arvin is saying na si Nico, titira kung titira. It's all about the shot selection for Nico Aguilar.
Yep, kung ano yung mga spots that he can make shots. Pero ito, ultra green light. Kung ultra green light, konting sayaw-sayaw. Napaluhod.
Humalik pa sa hangin itong si Clint Escamis. Nasa sapatos.